The Nillkin CamShield iPhone 12 and 12 Pro case is very, very nice. I really like this color on this case. It does somewhat match my new iPhone 12 in blue, which is really cool. And the unique thing about this case is not only just this texture on the back, which is really grippy and nice to hold, but we've got a little slider piece which hides your camera, which is really, really neat. And let me tell you something more about that in a sec. But let's go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and throw my iPhone 12 right into this case right here. So we're just gonna snap it right in from all the sides right there. And there you go, you can see how it just shows right through. And let's take a look at this little sliding piece that just slides and covers that up. Now, the one thing I was gonna mention about this piece right here is a lot of people might say, well, why do I need to cover my camera up? It might get annoying if I turn my phone on and it's covered, I'm gonna forget. So what you can actually do with this little piece right here is you can just take it off and it just removes. So it just kind of removes right out. So you can use this case without that little piece, and if you just want to slide it in, you just push it and it just snaps right there. And it actually stays in really, really strong, so you don't have to worry about it falling out. Now, if we look at the side of this case, again, very, very grippy material. I really, really like this. Buttons are super, super light and easy to press. And then we look on this side as well. Again, super light, super easy to press those buttons. Easily reach the mute on and off switch right there as well. We've got all the covers on the bottom, so it protects everything very, very nicely. All around, this is one of my favorite cases for the new iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Just a really grippy feeling, good protection. I like this little sliding piece. I know I can remove it if I ever need to, so it's not a problem. It's not gonna bug me. So just an overall great case. Comes in several different color options, so make sure you check out all those color options in the link down below, guys.